Don't follow money, make money follow you. Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold with another Get Rich Education Money Minute. You've heard me say it on the Get Rich Education podcast for years, and you've seen me blog about it on the GetRichEducation.com website. Don't follow money, make money follow you. Most people spend their lives following money. You know, as you travel around, you probably run into the same thing that I do. You might meet someone, strike up a conversation with them, and soon you ask them, oh, why is it that you chose to live in Naperville, Illinois, or Fort Worth, Texas? And you know what the number one answer always is? Oh, well, because I got a job there, so I just sort of ended up there. Well, that tells me a lot about that person. That tells me that that person is not living a life by design. They're willing to follow money. Instead, you can actually reverse that and make money follow you by doing something like what I've done for more than 15 years now. What I do is I wouldn't invest in a vehicle like a 401k because that only pays me income when I'm in my 60s or older. What I do is I invest in income property in the best United States geographies where the numbers really work. Places like Memphis, Tennessee, and Birmingham, Alabama, and Dallas, Texas, where you get a good ratio of rent income to purchase price, such that I have monthly cash flow streams coming from these properties where I have trusted managers managing them for me in all these markets. So the income just shows up in my account and I can live wherever I want to live because that's how I've made money follow me. And I actually have compiled a list of the best providers in the best markets at greturnkey.com for you, so it's truly never been easier. But before you show up again at your workaday job tomorrow, at least ask yourself the question, what kind of life am I designing for myself? Ask that question before you go back to trading your time for dollars and selling your time for money with an employer where you may or may not even be very passionate about that thing that you're grinding for. I'm Keith Weinhold. Don't follow money, make money follow you.
71% of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement. It's going to get worse as people live longer, and you need to start thinking differently. But you can't lose your time. Real estate is the investment vehicle that's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. Keith Weinhold of Get Rich Education is host of one of America's top investing shows, Disrupting Wall Street. He's an international best-selling author, a writer for Rich Dad Advisors, and has been an active income property investor since 2002. He has created thousands in passive monthly income for countless followers, and now he has a free book, The 7 Principles for Creating Wealth in Your Life. Get your copy now at GetRichEducation.com/book. That's GetRichEducation.com/book. Because invest in what produces income for you now and later. Keith Weinhold is your guy. Sign up now at GetRichEducation.com/book.